The Periodic Trends card game. Overview. This educational card game, Periodic Trends card game, aims to enhance learners' critical thinking skills by challenging them to analyze and apply their knowledge of periodic trends and elements, fostering a deeper understanding of the relationships between atomic properties and their implications in chemical behavior. This card game is designed for 5 to 10 players. Playtime varies from 10-20 minutes. Also, this card game is designed for grade 8 learners to engage in an interactive and educational experience while improving their critical thinking skills. Objective of the game: be the first player to discard all the cards in your hand during each round to declare as the winner. Game setting. First, determine which player goes first. Each player randomly draws a card from the deck. The player with the highest number card, based on the atomic number of the elements, will be the first player, following the players on his or her left sides. Second, the Arbiter shuffles the entire deck and deals 7 cards to each player. Third, place the remaining cards face down to form a draw pile. Fourth, the Arbiter randomly selects a category from another pile, for example, increasing electronegativity that players need to follow. Fifth, the first player puts down an element card, and the next player must play a card with the proper element based on the given category. Sixth, if the player successfully plays a card, the game continues to the next player. If the player cannot play a card, they draw another element card from the deck. Seventh, the Arbiter will hold a periodic table and check if the cards that are put down are correct. Last, the round ends when a player successfully plays all his or her card. Alternatively, the round can end if the draw deck is empty and no player can play a card. The player with the fewest atomic numbers, when added together, will be declared the winner. The cards. The element card. An element card consists of information about a specific chemical element. This information may include the element's name, symbol, atomic number, atomic mass, and other relevant properties. The element card serves as a key component for players to make strategic moves and decisions based on the properties of different elements. Skip card. The skip card plays a specific role in altering the game dynamics. When a player plays a skip card, they can skip the turn of another player, preventing them from taking a normal turn. See and Trade card. The See and Trade card adds an interesting and strategic element to the gameplay. When a player plays a See and Trade card, they typically get the privilege of viewing the cards held by another player of their choice. After seeing the cards, the player can decide whether they want to trade one of their cards with the player whose cards they viewed. The add cards. The role of add cards in the game is to additionally add cards with values such as +1, +2, +3 of the opponent. This provides the opportunity to discard the cards more easily. Sneak peek. The role of sneak peek in the Periodic Trends card game allows a player to observe the trends in the periodic table within a limited time frame of 15 seconds. The time constraint adds an element of excitement and urgency to the game, requiring players to make swift and informed decisions to gain a competitive advantage. Change property. The role of change property in the Periodic Trends card game is to introduce a dynamic element into the gameplay. When played, this card allows the player to select a specific property such as atomic size, ionization energy, electronegativity, metallic character, and electron affinity. Reverse card. The reverse card in the Periodic Trends card game introduces a strategic twist to the gameplay. When played, this card reverses the order of turns, disrupting the usual sequence of play. For example, if the gameplay normally progresses clockwise, the reverse card changes it to counterclockwise, and vice versa. The property card in the Periodic Trends card game serves as a key element for strategic decision-making. When played, this card allows the player to choose a specific property, such as atomic size, ionization energy, or electronegativity, and apply its effects to either strengthen their own position or hinder an opponent.